So so what we will do is we have this document, HTML page. Let me remove all the what you call it, styles. So we'll start our style from again. Let me show the page, how the page looks like. The page is like, name is H. The page name is H.html. So this is the page, Sheikh. Okay. If you see, this is the page. We have a navigation here. We have image. Then we have like anchors, links, picture. Then we have this paragraph. Okay. So what we want to do is we want to have a picture on the right side, and then we want to make some we want to make give style to the we can give style to the
Doctor, I have a question.
yeah.
In the footer, we have like a unique something. It's a code before the marble and after the number. What's the code for that?
Oh, this one. We'll talk about that. This is the image that we are using here. Okay.
Oh, it's an image.
So first of all, let's go and see the simple thing. Hamoud and Ahmed, you have to be with me. Please tell me. I want to give a background, gray background to the body. What should I do? What is the style for that? You have to use the chat, okay? And if you don't know, quickly write I don't know, okay? So I can start explaining you. I should without wasting any time. Do you know the commands to give me a what you call background, a gray for the body? Do you know the command, Ahmed? And
I know if they don't know.
no, I know you know. Let me ask.
No, if they don't know, I'll tell you.
Yeah. Okay, guys. So if you don't know, say IDK, I don't know. Okay, very good. Hamoud has written something, and choice is not a good idea, okay? If you write the same thing in the exam, you will be in trouble. So this is the body, and the body, I will give a background. This is what I can say, background, 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 and then I will say gray. That's it. I will not say choice. No, not like that, just like this one. So if I go back and I see, so this is what I got as a background, gray. I think I do have something like pound sign DDD color that is close to the gray as well, but little light gray. So I just went up the DDD. Okay. So this is how you can set.
Is that RGB?
No, this is like hexa.
Oh, the three types of color.
Yeah,
Pixel and RGB and the color.
Yes, name, RGB, and color. Name,
Okay.
RGB, and hexacolor.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so this is what we have. Now I want to make this link. Okay, let's see what is this link. So this is my header, which is a lakeland. This is the image. This is my header. And before the header, I have a skip navigation. Can you see the skip navigation, guys, here? This is a paragraph. In the paragraph, I have a skip navigation. You see that? Now, before the skip navigation, I have the anchor as well. So if you see that, this is my anchor. So in the paragraph, if you see here I have the image, but here I have the skip navigation. Okay, skip navigation is a link here that will not be visible unless I give the focus. And what will happen? It will jump to a location where I want to. So for example, this is when I jump, it comes up here. Okay. I want to make sure, for example, if I look at this page and I say, okay, jump to content start. Okay, let's see where is the content start. This is my ID. Oh, so this is the ID for the content start. No, 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 no. I want to go to the footer, for example. So I will say, I will not say then what you call it, div here. I'll say something at the footer. I'll say,
It's
hey,
like selectors.
yeah, it's like, yeah, I want,
Make something in the order.
yeah, I want to, when I say,
Shift.
when I click on the skip navigation, when I click on the skip navigation, okay, this link, it should jump to the footer. For example, this is what I want. So I refresh the page, okay, and you see here, I refresh the page and I click skip navigation. So it jumps to the footer. You see that footer here? It jumps to the footer. So this is what we want to see. But I don't want that this skip navigation we can see all the time here. I will talk about that inshallah very soon, that how we can hide it. And when I get the focus, the focus like this one. When I focus, it shows here. When I leave the focus, it should be disappeared. That is what we that is what the skip navigation. And skip navigation mean I should skip all this part. I don't want to go to these links. I just directly want to go to the content where I am interested in. Okay. So this is how you can play around with that. Okay. Now, my next task is that I want to make this, what is this one? Navigation. Let's see where is the navigation. So I have a navigation. You see the nav class? This has the paragraphs. So this has the paragraph. And now what I did was in this paragraph, I have these anchors. You see that? In these paragraphs, I have these anchors. So this is paragraph. I have these anchors. Okay. So this is when I click on the home, it will go to the index. When I click on the about us, it will go to the about us HTML. Okay. So these are the anchor. Yani, if you see here, I move my cursor here. Did you see the hand? This is the anchor. This home is an anchor. Okay. Because if I don't have this A, okay, let me remove this A. Okay. Let me remove this A for the home. Okay. Now I refresh it. Okay. Can you see the home? There's nothing. There is no anchor.
Like a normal text.
Yeah. No link, nothing else. So I cannot click. So I have to bring the A. This is the anchor command. A stand for anchor. So I'm linking this to the home. So now if I just go and refresh, so I got the home back again. Okay. Okay, good. So this is my navigation, and I close my navigation with the nav tag. Huh? This nav tag is closed. This is my what you call target is this is my target. This is my target, something like that. And this is my paragraph. So this is my navigation. And remember, this navigation, and everything is in the paragraph. You see that? Everything is in the paragraph. Everything is in the paragraph. So because we will use this paragraph, okay? We'll use this paragraph in our style. Now, I want this all navigations in one line because the paragraph, it puts everything on the next line. Is that right? Every paragraph put the things on the next line. You see? So everything is on the next line in this side. So I want them to be on the same line. So what I'm going to do is I'll say, okay, nav, and then I say, what I'll say, display, please display the nav in line, in line. I can say inline block. That is also there. Block will give me some space at the end. Inline block. Now, if I say refresh, uh, you see that? But still, it's not in one line. Huh? There's a problem here. Ah. because the nav, it will not display the nav, it will display the paragraph in lines. Okay, so I have to add the paragraph. I have to add a paragraph in one line. So if you see here, now this is in one line. Nav makes this one. Now, home, about us, they're all links, but they are very close. So let me make some space. So what I'm going to say is, hey, nav, you have a paragraph, and I want a space between the paragraphs. So I'm going to say margin. Please give the margin 1%, for example. Margin 1% for the paragraph. So these are my paragraphs, guys. Home is a paragraph. About us is a paragraph. So they're all in the paragraphs. So I want some space. So I refresh. So did you see that? I got some spaces here. And this is happening because I say, hey, nav, you have a paragraph, and I want to give this paragraph a margin of 1%. Okay, you can give a margin of 1.5%. No problem. 1.5%. So if you refresh the page, you got 1.5% margin. So this is how, okay, Ahmed, I want this nav to be the black background. What should I do?
You need what?
Ahmed Al-Ahmed, I want the nav to be background black. Do you know what is the command? Say I don't know if you don't know. So yeah. So background, okay, no problem. So background is black, okay? Background is black. So nav background is black. Let's see. Hamoud, let me try your command, nav p paragraph background, okay? Did you see that? Only the paragraphs are black, not the nav. So if I remove the p, then kullu nav is my background. Okay? Because if you say p, then only this part, paragraph, this is the only paragraph part, okay? The home or the about us. So if I say, okay, paragraph, background, so you see that? In the nav, we have a paragraph. So, okay, I will give the paragraph the background. Only the paragraph, I can see the background. But nav is kullu shay. Nav is kullu shay. So I say, okay, give me the, sometime you have to give to the paragraph, sometime you have to give to the nav, to the main, uh, uh, main tag. So I just made it like background black for the nav. But now the links, I want them white because it is black. So I say, okay, nav, you have a link. Shabab, how did we make the links? These links, how did we make?
Anchor.
With anchor. So I say anchor, link. Please, this is my pseudo class, okay? Link is a pseudo class. I say, okay, the color is white. Color is white. So I go back and I say refresh. Did you see that, guys? I got the background white. Now, these are the links that are visited. I visited these links. That is why they are in the blue color. Now, I say, okay, the visited links should be gray. Is that okay? Guys, how can you help me out? What should I do? The visited link should be gray. Anybody can help?
I wrote it in my
Nav?
note. I don't have it right now.
No problem. Nav A, because the link that I want to, and visited. Okay? Visited. The color should be Gray. Is that okay? I say pound sign DDDD. It's like a gray, light gray. So let's see, refresh the page. Did you see that, guys? This color is a gray and this is a white, you know? So we have like, okay, let's try to make it red, huh? Make it red. Did you see that? All the colors, visited colors are the red. So we can change the colors, we can change whatever we like with the help of style. Is that clear, guys? Ahmed Al Ahmed, is it clear? Now, Shabab, this is my body, okay? Now in the body we have a page, we have a skip navigation, which is this one, okay? Which is this one. If I and this is the header, which is this part. We have a nav. You know, we have something like after the body we always have a div. You remember that? And this div we close before the body. This div we close before the body. Is that clear?
Oh yeah.
So we have a div. And you know what we say? Because this div is a bigger div, and I say this is the class, it has a class container. I can just give a name, class container. Now, this container class, I want to, what should we do? Because any style you give to this class, this will be applied to all of them. Okay. Okay, I say this class has a, so can you give a color to the container? The white color? Can you do that? What should you do to give a white color? How can we give a white color to this container class? So dot container, very good, Hamoud. Hamoud, container, and you said color white. Is that right? Okay, color white. Now I go back here, Hamoud. This is the whole website page. I refresh. What happened, Hasan? Anything in the container got a white color. You see that? Because this color is for the text. This command is for the text, not for the, I was looking at background color. Okay.
Yeah, if you want the whole page, just put body, not the container.
I actually need the container, you know. If you see that, this is the body. Body is a gray color, right? You see the body? All body is there. But if I say my background container is white. So let's see. Did you see that? It started from here and it ends on the last tag. After that, again, the body starts. You see that? So this is the body. This gray area is the body, but this white area is the container. So container is not like a body. It only take the tags, whatever the tags we have, it only color them, whatever is in the container. Okay, now I want to say I want the container size 640. The maximum width of the container should be 640. So I can just say container, and this is maximum width is 640 pixels. Huh? So if you see here, you will see that, you see that, guys? container is 640 pixels. So if you see, this is little bit out, huh? So let's increase the size to 800 maybe. So I can say, okay, because of the picture is outside, going outside. So let me make it 800, saved it, and I say refresh. Oh, did you see that? So this is my container. Now, Shabab, I want to give a color. I want to give a color to the article. What should I do? H1 size is, yeah, you can do that. Yes, you can do that. Why not? Mahmoud, you can change the H1 size, okay? Not the H1 size, the size of the image, okay? So you can change the size of the image. For example, so if I say this is my 640, okay? So what I'm going to say is um, width is equal to 600, for example. So what will happen? The width of the image will be 600. Did you see that? The width of the image is 600. So if I say width of the image is 500, you'll see that. You see? If it is like 700, so it might cross the container. You see that? Because my container is 640, so it is 700, so it is crossing the container. Okay? So this container start from here, from the top. Let me show you. It start from here and it comes up till here. Okay? This is my container. Okay? Keep in mind. So let's go back and change the container. Huh? Make it 6.
Mr. Tariq, I have a question.
Yes, please.
If you have anything new to me, can you tell me? Because
You
right
want to
now, I really need to go to the hospital.
go? Okay. Oh, you can
I
go
had
to
a meeting the last week.
the hospital.
All of this, I know it.
Asim, you can go to the hospital, and then what you need is you can let me know, or maybe set up a time with me tomorrow after Maghrib or Isha. I will
Okay.
open the session for you, and then we'll discuss, inshallah. You can.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Yeah. مع السلامة دكتور.
Thank you, dear. Assalamu alaikum. Okay, now we have two guys, huh? Who are the two guys? Hamoud. So, Hamoud, now you have to ask me the question. Okay. So we did the, now you can open your mic, or maybe you can. So this is our, so I want to give article a different color. What should I do for that one? Article, I want to give a different color, maybe yellow or something like that. How can I do that? Mahmoud, can you speak quickly so we don't waste our time? Article background color. Not like that. Background minus color, or just say background, okay? Article, either say background minus color, like this one, or just say background, bus is yellow, for example. So if I just go and I see that, I can see that. So this is the yellow color, okay? Now, what I want you to do is, let's see the image, the big image, huh? If you see here, we have a big image. Where is the big image? Okay. This is my image, okay? This is my image. You know what I did? I put my image in a figure. 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 Okay. Now, in this figure, I say I have an image. IMG SRC is equal to, I can say that I have an images slash sun.jpg, like that. Rotation close and tag close and figure is closed, okay? So this is how. Okay, go ahead. Hello, my dear K, who are you now?